Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Before you throw away that old, dead, or completely scrapped drone battery, listen to me closely. Keep the outer case and keep the original circuit board. Why? Because today, I'm going to show you how to use those exact leftovers to build a brand new, high-performance battery from scratch. Most people think once the cells die, the whole battery is garbage. But in this video, we are doing a complete transplant. I'll show you the precise steps to weld the new power wires to the protective BMS plate, handle the critical insulation process, and secure the cells safely inside the original shell. But a perfect assembly is only half the job. We will then hook it up to the computer to read and verify the live chip data. And finally, before it ever leaves my workbench, we are going to put this battery through what I call the devil's Charge and Discharge Test to push its limits and ensure absolute flight safety. If you want to learn how to breathe new life into dead gear, this ultimate assembly guide is for you. Let's dive in.